In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to debug in Cursor AI. First, open Cursor. That's your AI-powered editor and chat environment where code assistance and debugging live side by side. Make sure you're on a recent version so the debugging experience is smooth and the models have the latest features available. Next, start a new AI chat. Beginning with a fresh conversation helps keep the context focused on your current issue. You can do this quickly with the shortcut Ctrl+L or Ctrl+I, depending on your setup. A clean chat ensures Cursor pays attention to just the code and error you're about to share, rather than mixing in earlier topics. Now, switch the chat mode to debug. This mode is designed to analyze stack traces, interpret error messages, and reason about root causes. You'll typically find the mode selector near the top of the chat panel. When debug mode is active, Cursor tailors its responses toward diagnosing faults and proposing targeted fixes, instead of offering general code suggestions. Paste your code or the exact error message into the chat. Include the part of the file or function where the issue appears, along with any relevant stack traces. A little context goes a long way. Mention the language, framework, or runtime if it affects the error. If the bug depends on input data, describe that input briefly. Avoid sharing any sensitive information like secrets or private tokens. If your logs contain them, sanitize those parts before pasting. The goal is to provide enough detail for the model to reproduce or reason about the issue while keeping your project secure. In the message box, type a clear request such as, "Debug this code and fix the issue." You'll get even better results if you add specifics, like the expected behavior, what you're seeing instead, and any constraints. For example, note versions that matter or mention if performance or memory usage is a concern. Precision guides the model toward the right diagnosis and a practical fix. Finally, press Enter. Cursor will analyze what you shared, point out likely causes, and propose concrete changes. Read through the explanation carefully to understand the reasoning. If anything is unclear, ask a quick follow-up in the same chat to refine the analysis, provide another snippet, or clarify assumptions. Keeping that conversation focused helps Cursor converge on an exact solution. And that's it. Open Cursor, start a new AI chat, switch to debug, paste your code or error, request the fix in plain language, and press Enter. With a bit of context and clarity, debug mode becomes a fast, reliable way to identify issues and get back to building.